Hey there! In this video I'm going to show you how you can add pictures or one picture to text or individual letters of the text. For that you want to add some text. I'm just gonna write beach as before. I already chose the font to be quite bold, which makes sense when you want to put pictures inside of the text, so that you have a lot of space for the picture to be visible. If you're happy with the text, you can just import your picture, and I'm just gonna use this one for now. Then you can just position it where you want to have it, and you can also change the size of the picture. You can also do it afterwards. Just gonna make it roughly like that, and then you want to go here on the layers menu and just click and drag the picture layer on top of the text layer, and then you can see that it was already clipped to the letters of the text. One benefit with using that method is that the text is still editable. So you can, for example, just click on it and click on the text tool again, and then you can see that this cursor appears again, and you can just write whatever text you want. Just make sure that it fits, and just like that you have the picture inside of a completely different text. So that's quite handy, I think. But with this method, it's more complicated to have individual pictures for each individual letter. I'm just going to show you a section option how you can do that. For that, you want to select the text with the Move tool, and then right click on it, scroll down a bit, and click on Convert to Curves. And then you can see that the text got changed to a group of individual curves for all the letters. I'm just going to ungroup this group, and you can see that you have curves for all the letters. If you would just want to have one picture across all the letters, you want to make sure that you add all the curves to be one curve. If you, however, want to do one picture per letter, just leave it like that, and then right click on it again and click here on Convert to Picture Frame. Once you have done that, you can just click on the individual letters, and then here on the top you have the option to replace the image. And just like that, you have some kind of a photo collage, I would say, with different pictures in each different letter. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below.